Welcome again, students. I, Sonali Patil from Gokhale Education Society, HIL English Medium, Uzar Township. I am going to post videos of Maharashtra State Board English Medium, subject Sanskrit. Students, last video we have learned Avyamala. Now we will learn Kim Mithya, Kim Vastava, means what is virtual, what is real. Students, it is indeed true that modern technology has opened the wide field of physical material development for humans. But due to the excess usage of technological gadgets, new questions and several new social problems have been created. Yet, technology is necessity of the modern age. Students, I hope all are safe in home in this COVID disease situation. Till school has not started, but our learning process has not stopped because of modern technology. All students have learned in home on computer, mobile, tab, television, radio. So students, you all are safe and easy to learn in home in difficult situation. Before that, parents was not give mobile to your hand because you all are playing games in that mobile. But nowadays, parents give a mobile in your hand for the study. But it is depend on you use of this technology for the study or playing games. Most of the students sincerely study on mobile, but few students are not used for study. They are playing games. So, students, I humble request to all use this technology is for only and only study. In this lesson, conversation between the 13-year-old girl and her mother is presented to us by the author Srimati Mugdha Rizwood, where the difference between the real and virtual world is communicated. It tells us that though technology is an important part of our life today, excess should always be avoided. So let us see, students, this conversation. First I read whole lesson. All should listen carefully for the pronunciation. तृतीयपाठः किं मिथ्या किं वास्तवम् आधुनिकं तन्त्रज्ञानं मानवस्य कृते भौतिकविकासस्य विस्तीर्णं क्षेत्रम् उद्घाटयति इति तु सत्यमेव। तथापि तन्त्रज्ञानसाधनानाम् अत्यधिक उपयोगः नूतनानां प्रश्नान् विघ्नान् सामाजिकसमस्याः च निर्माति। मिथ्या तथा च वास्तवम् एतयोः मध्ये भेदः ज्ञातव्यः अस्माभिः। आधुनिककालस्य इयम् एव आवश्यकता। लेखिका श्रीमती मुग्धा रिजवुड इन ब्रैकेट 13 वर्षीया तनया सुखासन्दे उपविश्य एकेन हस्तेन कुर्कुरिकां खादति अपरेण हस्तेन चलभाषं चालयति। तदानीं द्वारघण्टिकाम् आकर्ण्य माता द्वारम् उद्घाटयति। तनयायाः सौख्यौ द्वारे एव स्थित्वा ताम् आह्वयतः। श्रुति तनये सत्वरं क्रीडनाय आगच्छ, वै खेलामः। तनया अहं गृहे एव खेलामि। राजसी किं खेलसि? तनया चलभाषं दर्शयित्वा एतस्मिन् चलभाषे यष्टिकन्दुकक्रीडा, पादकन्दुकक्रीडा, वाहनक्रीडा, पत्रक्रीडा, चतुरङ्गक्रीडा इत्यादयः सर्वाः क्रीडाः सन्ति। क्रीडाङ्गणं गत्वा खेलनस्य आवश्यकता एव न अस्ति। अहं न आगच्छामि। सौख्यौ क्रीडार्थं निर्गच्छतः माता पाकगृहं गच्छति। तनया चलभाषे युद्धक्रीडायां मग्ना। नेक्स्ट तनया स्वगतम् एतस्यां क्रीडायाम् एषः सैनिकः मृतः, अपरः च मारणीयः। सर्वे सैनिकाः मृताः। हे जितं मया, खेलः समाप्तः। तनया पाकगृहं गच्छति। अम्ब बुभुक्षिता अस्मि। माता तनये मम चलभाषे एतानि छायाचित्राणि पश्य। तनया खाद्यपदार्थानां छायाचित्राणि पश्यति। तनया मातः पिज़्ज़ा, पावभाजी, सिज़्लर्स् इत्यादीनि खाद्यानि दृष्ट्वा लालायितं मे मुखं। कृपया किमपि यच्छतु। माता चलभाषे दृष्टवती खलु। अधुना खाद्यपदार्थानाम् आवश्यकता एव न अस्ति। अहं न यच्छामि। तनया चलभाषे भोजनं दृष्ट्वा बुभुक्षा शान्ता कथं भवेत्? माता: यदि एतत् सत्यं तर्हि कथं न जानासि यत् चलभाषेण क्रीडित्वा व्यायामः न भवति, स्वास्थ्यरक्षणं न भवति। तनया: परं मातः, मह्यं रोचते तच्चलभाषणे क्रीडनं। माता: तनये, यद्यद् रोचते तत्तत् सर्वं स्वास्थ्यकरं, हितकरम्, आरोग्यपूर्णं न भवति। सम्यक् क्रीडा, पौष्टिकम् अन्नं, रात्रौ निद्रा आरोग्याय भवति। चलभाषे आभासात्मकं विश्वं, न वास्तवं। तनया: तर्हि किं चलभाषस्य उपयोगः एव न करणीयः? माता: तथा न, आवश्यकतानुसारं योग्यः उपयोगः करणीयः एव, किन्तु अति सर्वत्र वर्जयेत्। तनया: आं मातः, इतः परं पुनः चलभाषस्य योग्यम् उपयोगं करोमि। स्टूडेंट्स, लेट अस स्टार्ट फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ। 13 वर्षीया तनया सुखासन्दे उपविश्य एकेन हस्तेन कुरकुरिकां खादति। 13 वर्षीया मीन्स 13-year-old. सुखासन्दे, सुख प्लस आसन्दे. आसन्दे मीन्स सोफा, सुख मीन्स happily. उपविश्य मीन्स sitting. एकेन हस्तेन by one hand. कुरकुरिकां means snacks. खादति means eat. 13-year-old Tanaya sitting on sofa happily and eat snacks by the one hand. अपरेण हस्तेन चलभाषं चालयति. अपरेण means other, हस्तेन means hand, चलभाषं means mobile, चालयति means operating. With the other hand, she is operating mobile. तदानीं द्वारघण्टिकाम् आकर्ण्य माता द्वारम् उद्घाटयति. तनयायाः सौख्यौ द्वारे एव स्थित्वा ताम् आह्वयत. द्वारघण्टिका means doorbell. आकर्ण्य means hearing. आकर्ण्य is लबन्तव्य. माता means mother. द्वारं means door. उद्घाटयति means open. Then, hearing the doorbell, mother has opened the door. तनयायाः सौख्यौ. सौख्यौ means friends. द्वारे means at the door. स्थित्वा means standing. आहवयत means calling. At the door, standing, Tanaya's friends call her out. Students, in this bracket given a situation before the conversation. What is a situation? 13-year-old Tanaya sitting on a sofa happily and eats snacks with one hand like you. With the other hand, she is operating mobile. Yes, like you only. Then hearing the doorbell, mother has opened the door. Mother has opened the door. She is not opened the door because she is playing with the mobile and very happy. So, who is there at the door? At the door, Tanaya's friends standing there and call her out. Let us see, students, then what happened. Shruti: तनये सत्वरं क्रीडनाय आगच्छ, बहि खेलामः. सत्वरं means quickly. Agachha means come. Bahi means out. Tanaya's friend named Shruti. Shruti said, Tanayi, come to play quickly. We shall play outside. Then Tanaya, aham gruhe eva khelami. Tanaya said, I shall play in home only. Satvaram, opposite word shanai shanai, and Satvaram, समानार्थी शब्द शीघ्रम. Tanaya's friend Shruti is calling to Tanaya for playing outdoor games, but Tanaya did not want to go play for outdoor games because she is busy in mobile. She is playing something in mobile. Students, nowadays don't go out for playing, but whenever all situation is in control, that time definitely you all play outdoor games. Nowadays you should do the yoga and do the proper study in home only. Rajasi: Kim khelasi? Rajasi said, What are you playing? Tanaya: चलभाषं दर्शयित्वा. दर्शयित्वा means showing. Tanaya showing the mobile to her friends. एतस्मिन् चलभाषे यष्टिकन्दुकक्रीडा. In this mobile, यष्टिकन्दुकक्रीडा means hockey. पादकन्दुकक्रीडा means football. वाहनक्रीडा means car games. पत्रक्रीडा means card games. चतुरङ्गक्रीडा means chess. इत्यादयः means etc. सर्वाः क्रीडाः सन्ति. All games are there. क्रीडाङ्गणं गत्वा खेलनस्य आवश्यकता एव न अस्ति. गत्वा त्वान्तव्ये गोयिङ्ग्. आवश्यकता नीड्. न प्लस् अस्ति. न मीन्स् नाट्. No need to go to the playground for playing. अहं न आगच्छामि. I am not coming. सौख्यो क्रीडार्थं निर्गच्छतः. निर्गच्छतः means go. सौख्यो means friends. The friends go to play. माता पाकगृहं गच्छति. पाकगृहं means kitchen. माता means mother. Mother go to kitchen. तनया चलभाषे युद्धक्रीडायां मग्ना. मग्ना means busy. युद्धक्रीडा means game of war. Tanaya is busy in the game of war in mobile. Students, when Rajasi has asked the question to the Tanya, what are you playing? That time Tanaya has showing the mobile and say, in this mobile many games. Hockey, football, car games, card games, chess, etc. So, no need to go to the playground to play. I am not coming. So, hearing that answer, friends, Tanaya's friends go to play and mother go to kitchen. Tanaya is busy in the game of war in mobile. Tanaya Swagatam. एतस्यां क्रीडायाम् एषः सैनिकः मृतः. अपरः च मारणीयः. सर्वे सैनिकाः मृताः. स्वागतं means herself. सैनिक means soldier. मृता means dead. अपरः means other. मारणीय means remain to kill. Tanaya to herself. In this game, soldier is dead. Other is remain. All soldiers are died. Hey, jitam maya. Jitam means won. Hey, I have won. खेलः समाप्तः. समाप्तः means over. The game is over. In bracket, तनया पाकगृहं गच्छति. तनया go to kitchen. अम्ब बुभुक्षिता अस्मि. अम्ब means mother. बुभुक्षिता means hungry. Amba synonyms word mata, janani, like that. She said, Mother, I am hungry. माता तनये मम चलभाषे एतानि छायाचित्राणि पश्य. चलभाषे मोबाइल. छायाचित्राणि पिक्चर. पश्य means see. तनया in my mobile see these pictures. In bracket तनया खाद्यपदार्थानां छायाचित्राणि पश्यति. खाद्यपदार्थ फूड. छायाचित्राणि पिक्चर और इमेजेस. तनया sees the images of food. तनया मातः पिज़्ज़ा, पावभाजी, सिज़लर्स इत्यादीनि खाद्यानि दृष्ट्वा लालायितं मे मुखम्. दृष्ट्वा means seeing. लालायितं means watering. मे मुखम means my mouth. Mother, pizza, पावभाजी, sizzlers, etc. Seeing these foods, my mouth is watering. कृपया किमपि यच्छतु. यच्छतु means give. कृपया means please. Please give me something. Students, last passage we see that Tanaya has busy in mobile playing games and she talk herself only. What talk? In this game, this soldier is dead, other is remain. All soldiers are died. Hey, I have won. Like that, she is shouting. You all are also while playing games in mobile like that shouting. So, game is over. Tanaya go to kitchen and said to the mother, Mother, I am hungry. Mother said, Tanaya, in my mobile, see these pictures. Tanaya sees the picture of food. Tanaya said, Mother, pizza, pav bhaji, sizzlers, etc. Seeing these foods, my mouth is watering. Please give me something. माता वदत चलभाषे दृष्टवती खलु दृष्टवती means saw. Mother said, you saw on the mobile, right? अधुना खाद्यपदार्थानाम् आवश्यकता एव न अस्ति. न प्लस अस्ति. न means not. अधुना means now. Now no need of the food. अहम न यच्छामि. यच्छामि means give. Aham means I. Na means not. I am not give you. तनया वदत् चलभाषे भोजनं दृष्ट्वा बुभुक्षा शान्ता कथं भवेत्? दृष्ट्वा त्वान्तव्ये means seeing. बुभुक्षा means hunger. Shanta means specified. Katham means how. Tanaya said, how will hunger be pacified by seeing the food on the mobile? माता वदत् यदि एतत् सत्यं तर्हि कथं न जानासि यत् चलभाषेण क्रीडित्वा व्यायामः न भवति. यदि means if, satyam means truth, katham means how, janasi means no. क्रीडित्वा त्वान्तव्ये playing, vyayamah means exercise, na bhavati, na means not. If this is true, then how do you not know that by playing on the mobile you don't get exercise? स्वास्थ्य रक्षणं न भवति. स्वास्थ्य रक्षणं protect the health. Have not protect the health. तनया वदत् परं मातः मह्यं रोचते तत् चलभाषेण क्रीडनम्. Param means but. Mata means mother. Mayyam rochate means I like. Kridanam means playing. But mother, I like that playing with the mobile. Students, last passage we see Tanaya's mother show food pictures on mobile to Tanaya and saying that food images, pizza, sizzler, etc. Tanaya said to her mother, give me something. So in this passage, mother said to Tanaya, you saw on the mobile, right? Now no need of the food. I am not give you. Tanaya said to her mother, how will hunger be pacified by seeing the food on the mobile? Mother said, if this is true, then how do you not know that by playing on mobile you don't get exercise? You have not protect the health. माता तनये यद्यद् रोचते तत्तत् सर्वं स्वास्थ्यकरं हितकरम् आरोग्यपूर्णं न भवति. स्वास्थ्यकरं means healthy, hitakaram means beneficial, आरोग्यपूर्णं means filled with health. न भवति, न means not. Tanaya, all that you like is not healthy, beneficial and filled with health. सम्यक् क्रीडा पौष्टिकम् अन्नं रात्रौ निद्रा आरोग्याय भवति. सम्यक् means proper, क्रीडा means games, पौष्टिकम् means nutritious, अन्नं means food, रात्रौ means night, nidra means sleep. Proper games, nutritious food, sleep at night will make you healthy. चलभाषे आभासात्मकं विश्वं न वास्तवम्. आभासात्मकं means virtual. Vishwam means world. Vastavam means reality. The virtual world on the mobile is not a reality. तनया वदत् तर्हि किं चलभाषस्य उपयोगः एव न करणीयः? उपयोगः means use, न means not. Then तर्हि means then. Then should the mobile not be used at all? माता अवदत् तथा न means not so, not like that. आवश्यकतानुसारं योग्यः उपयोगः करणीयः एव. आवश्यकतानुसारं means when we need. योग्य उपयोगः means proper use. Not so, it should be properly used when we need. किन्तु अति सर्वत्र वर्जयेत्. वर्जयेत् means avoid. किन्तु means but. अति means excess. सर्वत्र means everywhere. but excess should be avoided everywhere. तनया वदत् आं मातः. आं मीन्स् यस्, यस् मदर्. इतः परं पुनः चलभाषस्य योग्यम् उपयोगं करोमि. इतः परं मीन्स् फ्रॉम टुडे ऑनवर्ड्स. चलभाषस्य उपयोगः मीन्स् यूज मोबाइल. योग्यम मीन्स् proper. From today onwards I shall use the mobile properly. Students, last passage, Tanaya said to her mother, I like that playing mobile. Students, you all are also like playing mobile, you know. So students, her mother has taught her how the virtual world and real world are different. In this last passage, mother said to Tanaya, Tanaya, all that you like is not healthy, beneficial, filled with health. So, proper games, nutritious food, sleep at night will make you healthy. The virtual world on the mobile is not reality. So, Tanya said to her mother, then should the mobile not be used at all? Mother said to Tanya, not so, it should be properly used when we need, but excess should be avoided everywhere. Excess means, you know students, that ati tethe mati in Marathi, like that only. Tanaya said to her mother, yes mother, from today onwards I shall use the mobile properly. Students, Tanaya's mother, by showing the pictures of food and not actually giving food to Tanaya, her mother taught her how the virtual world and real world are different. Playing on the phone virtually is not beneficial as playing on the ground. Tanaya believes that when we can do everything just with a cell phone, then why do we need to go out? This is not just Tanaya's problem but that of the whole generation. Children like Tanaya have the same attitude, hence, the difference between real and virtual world has become difficult to identify. Students, in this lesson, author tries to show this difference through the conversation between a mother and daughter and conveys the message that use of anything must be according to the need or requirement. Students, now homework and classwork. First, you read carefully that lesson and write the translation and meaning in classwork, and Bhasha Bash should be right in homework.